Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Firstly, access recorder by clicking on it and tap on this red button. Normally you need to just allow in the pop-up, but I already did that so I can start my recording right away. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on this red button over here. If you wish to end your recording, you need to tap on the red one. And as you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always rename it by tapping on it over here and selecting rename. Now name it however you wish to and click on OK. If you wish to get rid of your recording, you can always do that by holding it, but this time tapping on the tapping on the delete icon over here. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!